Hey guys, Hugh here from Hugh Does. Welcome to Evenings in Ipswich, where I travel Ipswich, and today I'm heading straight away to the Prince Alfred Hotel. So the Prince Alfred actually is older than Ipswich itself. It began life in 1842, so it's over 175 years old. It actually burnt down on Christmas Day 1961 and was rebuilt pretty much to what the building is today, but it is very modern now. But it's still been a hotel in that spot for over 175 years. So I'll enjoy actually checking it out, seeing what it's got to offer. I've heard it is pretty good. When you think of Ipswich, you think of Forex, BB, Bundy. You don't really think of craft beers, but apparently this place has a bar called Tapped, T-A-P''D, and it is apparently a mecca for craft beers. And I don't mind a craft beer every now and then. Okay, so I've parked at the Prince Alfred, also known as the PA, and let's head in and check out and see what it's like. I think it's going to be really, really good. I've had to put on a jacket because Ipswich is one of those places that when it gets really cold, or when it's cold it gets really, really cold. When it's hot, it gets really, really hot. And it's been raining a bit today, so I think today is one of those days where it's going to be really, really cold once the sun's gone. Wow, this place is awesome. So it's got 72 beers on tap. Now they're not all craft beers, but it's got some of the older style classics like Cascade from Tassie, of Forex no doubt, Great Northern, those sort of beers, but it's got a bunch of ciders, lagers and pilsners, pale ales. It's got some Indian pale ales. Now what I've got here is a Stomping Ground Littlefoot. Now it's an Indian pale ale made in Victoria. Now this one's got a classification of easy drinking. I chose it as 3.6% alcohol, so it's not too heavy, which is what I want because I'm obviously driving. Oh, that's smooth. Oh, that is nice. I'm going to head down into central Ipswich to see what I could find for something to eat. Whether there's some good restaurants down there, I'm not sure. But I'll head down Brisbane Road to the top of the town and see what's on offer. But I'll just finish this beer first and then get on the road. So I found a German place called Heisenberg House, and it looks pretty good. It's hopefully serves up some good German fare, so I'm about to head in and check it out.
Can I order some food?
Yes, thanks. Could I have the worst sample? Which is really nice, and also would like a 500ml of the lager. Slipstream dunk. So this place is really busy. It's not packed, but it is close to being packed. There was a couple before who had to wait for their table. So for Ipswich on a midweek night, so Tuesday night, it's really busy here, which is good. It's quite noisy, but it gives a good atmosphere. Because it's busy, I think it will be quite a wait for the meal to come out. Luckily I'm not in a rush, but yeah, it could be a good half an hour before the meal arrives. Thank you. Cheers.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
German bangers and mash. I'll tuck into this and look at this one first. Looks quite nice. Some mashed potato with it. Dip in the gravy. That's pretty good. Plenty of that mash. It's nice. Nice creamy mash. Sort of oniony gravy. That's good. So I'm going to try some of this sausage with a bit of the mashed potato and just a little bit of this mustard. Just apply that mustard. See how that goes. It's good mustard. Oh, that's yummy mustard. So the mustard's not too hot, but it's almost like a hot English mustard without the heat. So let's try some of this second sausage. Oh yeah, that looks good. Plenty of mash, and dip it in that gravy. Quite a different taste. Smoky. I guess that's the Kransky. Yeah, but it's a little bit smoky, a little bit cheesy. You can see the cheese in there. Oh yeah. So let's add some mash to that. Scoop up some of this mustard. See how that all combines. It's pretty good. Alright. Let's try some of this Cheese Kransky. With some mash. And some sauerkraut. That smoky Kransky with the sauerkraut is quite a nice combination. Certainly very smoky Kransky, but it sort of sits in the back of your throat, the smokiness. Let's have a bit more of this sauerkraut. It is very sour. Quite nice. Alright, let's try some of this sausage with mash and sauerkraut. A big bite. Alright, well that's pretty good. I really did like the mustard. The mash was good. Very good. Can't complain about some good German